When you enter perchloroethylene into the ToxNet search screen, your first result is from Toxline. Toxline is a database of over 4 million references to literature on biochemical, pharmacological, physiological, and toxicological effects of drugs and other chemicals. Toxline covers research published between 1965 and the present, but does have some content that dates back to the 1940s. Toxline only contains references, not the full text of studies or other scientific literature. For more information on full-text access to content included in Toxline, or any of the ToxNet databases, click on the FAQs link at the top of the screen and scroll to the Managing References section. As previously mentioned, the ToxNet results screen shows you only the first result from each database. Let's go ahead and click on the More Results link to see all the results from Toxline. We have a large number of results. One easy way to narrow a search is to add additional search terms using AND. When searching in databases, the words AND, OR, and NOT have very specific meanings. Let's say we want to find research that discusses the health effects of perchloroethylene on the kidneys. We could enter perchloroethylene and kidney into the search bar. The database brings back all of the records that contain both of those terms. If we were to search perchloroethylene or kidney, we'd get back all of the articles that include the term perchloroethylene, regardless of whether or not those articles include the term kidney, and all of the articles that include the term kidney, whether or not they include the term perchloroethylene. So how would we use OR when constructing our search? One way is to include synonyms, or other words that describe your concept of interest in your search strategy. For instance, if we add the term renal to our search, we will expand the number of results we have access to. Our search would include the terms perchloroethylene and kidney or renal. The parentheses are important when using the OR operator. With the parentheses, we get 338 results, all of which include the term perchloroethylene and either the term kidney or renal. Without the parentheses, our search brings back over 135,000 results. It brought back articles that contain both terms perchloroethylene and kidney, and every single result that contains the word renal. So remember, if your search includes both the OR operator as well as the AND operator, use parentheses around your OR terms. The third Boolean operator is NOT. NOT isn't used as much in search strategies as AND and OR, but it can be quite useful. Let's say you want research on the effects of perchloroethylene on the kidneys, but you don't want any rat or mice studies. You can add NOT, rats, or mice to the end of your search. Now you're left with items, none of which include the term rats or mice.